I'm going to talk about is this charcoal scrub. So as I told you guys before, this is what I'm using on my skin, on my face, and I love it. I love it so much. Recently, my friend, she was like, hey, I just got this new soap, you should try it. And she ended up cutting me off a piece of it. It was a bar of soap. I want to use my own products for myself, just so I know what's going on. I'll notice the difference and I'll know that it's from my products. But you know, I'm like, okay, maybe I can use it and see, because I've been using this stuff consistently for over a year now, and I know what it does for my skin. So I was like, you know what, if I start using this and see how it works, you know, then I'll just know maybe my skin is just, you know, some good skin. I ended up using the soap and I used it for 3 days. After that 3rd day, I couldn't take it no more. Y'all, my skin had broke out so bad. It wasn't regular acne. It was like cystic bumps, like the kind that are painful and big with no pus in it. Like, though, I was like, no. I talked to her and I let her know, I was like, I can't use that on my face. Like, I still, to this day, I still wash up with it, you know, in the shower, like on my body. I just can't use it on my skin. What I did was, I took my scrub, and like, this can be used as a scrub or a mask. I use it for both, just in case you guys don't know. I know a lot of people email me afterwards like, how do you use this, and you know, all of that. So I'm gonna be sure, I think I already did it. I already updated y'all to let y'all know how to use it on the website. But anyways, so what I decided to do was, that night before I went to bed, I ended up putting this on as a mask. I just sprayed it all over, and like, I could feel it tingling and everything, you know, the usual. And I left it on for about 20 minutes. I usually say about 10, but I had to do something. It was an emergency. I had blackheads and big bumps and all that going on. So I left it on, and then I ended up scrubbing it away. That next morning, the bumps had went down, like the swelling and the bumps had went down, and I'm gonna say within 3 days my skin was clear all over again. I kid you not. I was just like, okay, maybe my skin is just used to using it, I don't know, but try it. Try it. I mean, it won't hurt to try. I know some people's skin is different. Some people, you try everything. Won't hurt to try this. After I've washed it off, I still feel my skin tingling. Also, people have been telling me that my complexion has gotten a little brighter. Now, my skin complexion usually changes from season to season depending on how the sun is beaming, and since it's still roasting here in Texas, I believe that it could be because my skin is clearing up or something. Maybe my pores are being extra cleansed, so I don't know. This is what happened. That's what happened when I was using that other soap about 2 weeks ago. So I'm really working on trying to get that back clear. Although my skin has cleared up, it's still left with discoloration, so I'm just working on that. it has gotten a lot better. It was bad. I was like, oh my gosh, how did this happen? I just want y'all to see what my skin looks like without the makeup, because usually I come on here with a little bit of foundation on. So I wanted to show you guys what my skin looks like without all the glamour and glitz. So don't come for me, come for this.